Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important tasks in the PTE exam, read aloud. What is read aloud? In the PTE speaking section, read aloud is the very first question type. Here's how it works. You'll see a short passage on the screen. You'll have 30 to 40 seconds to prepare and then you have to read it aloud clearly. You are not expected to explain the meaning. Instead, you just have to read exactly what is given with good pronunciation and fluency. Why is read aloud important? Now listen carefully, this is very important. Read aloud contributes to both speaking and reading scores, which means a good performance is double benefit and a poor performance is double loss. So if you ignore read aloud, then you're losing marks in two modules at the same time. And that's why read aloud should never be taken lightly. How marks are given? Marks in read aloud are mainly based on three things. Pronunciation, are your words clear and understandable? Fluency, are you reading smoothly without too many breaks? And content, did you read the words correctly without skipping? Remember, accent doesn't matter, speed doesn't matter, clarity is what matters. Here are some tips anyone can follow. During preparation time, scan the sentences quickly. Focus on full stops and commas, pause naturally. Don't read too fast. If you make a small mistake, don't correct yourself, keep it going. And always finish the sentences confidently. Think of it like reading a news article aloud, not rushing through it. Avoid these mistakes. Reading too fast, sounding robotic, long pauses in the middle of sentences, and panicking after one mistake. One mistake will not fail your exam, but stopping will. To sum it up, read aloud is easy, scoreable, and highly rewarding if practiced well. So start practicing daily, focus on clarity, and stay calm. If you found this helpful, keep practicing and all the best for your PTE exam.